Hi guys, welcome to another video. From you see this right here, you know what's going on. It's farming again. So just a quick update on what's going on. Now, as I have previously showed you guys in a video that I had bought the land. Now I had hired 3 man. Took them 3 days to do all this. But I mean there's some left at the top right there to finish up. So I'm just walking through and taking a look because I wasn't here when all this was going on, or else I would have posted a video. Couldn't if I just put the neck couldn't creep off, sir. What's the name with kids, sir? Mommy, they could have creep off this part of some man. They left every muck on the land. Yes, guys, so I mean, otherwise, from the muck that's left on the land, it's coming along nicely. Just to get this top part clear and that piece up there, and to actually get some water as well. Look at the snail. These are my problem over here. A lot of snail slugs. Yes guys, so this is the update of what's going on. Remember I told you guys I had used glyphosate to burn the land, but some of the bush weren't burned. Because I guess glyphosate don't burn every bush. So I'm gonna have to still get it burned again with a fast burner, probably Gramazone or paraquat. But I need some grass. Can I pass on hand on grass, man? I'm gonna want some grass here, so guys. So I'm gonna cut some grass from over there, so and put it in this bald spot and get the rest to burn again. Anyway guys, stay tuned to see what's going on in my farm.